Types of life processes. There are following basic life processes: movement, respiration, sensitivity, growth, reproduction, excretion, nutrition, transportation. During movement, organism either moves from one place to other or move its body parts while staying fixed at one place. While respiration is the process which releases energy from food absorbed by the body. Sensitivity is the ability to detect the changes in the surroundings. We can define growth as change from child to adult. Organisms produce new organisms similar to it by the process of reproduction. Excretion is the process in which waste materials are removed from the body. The process of nutrition involves the taking of food inside the body and converting it into smaller molecules which can be absorbed by the body. Transportation is the process in which a substance absorbed or made in one part of body are moved to another parts of the body.